Let's do some bottom lashes. You need to use either J curl or I curl because they are more straighter. And I'm using size 6 and 8. First, turn your tray upside down and pick just a random number of the lashes, like you are doing a spike or doing a wet set, the same way you pick the lashes. Get a few pieces of tape and tape the skin and stretch them out. And get a few pieces of silicone tape, remove the stickiness or the residues, and tape all the lashes up. So for the bottom lashes, you cannot do isolation, so pretty much you just place them on the top of the lashes. And right after you place the lashes on, you just push it down. Place them on, push it down, like that. And I use size 8 and 6. Pretty much you don't want it to use the longer size because of the bottom lashes. It needs to look more natural. And I just do a random number. I just pick like 6 and then maybe 7 or maybe 8. I mix them all together, one long, one short, so it can look natural. Try to keep your customer's eyes closed to avoid burning. And thank God, my glue doesn't burn, so the whole time I did her bottom lashes, she did not cry at all. You can find the glue from my shop, elitelonglashes.com. Also, just reminding you that the bottom lashes doesn't last longer than the top lashes. They normally come off around 1 week and a half or 2 weeks. So tell your clients first so they can be more prepared. For the bottom lashes, taping is really important. You can see in the video, I use taping to stretch the skin out as much as I can. And remember, when you place the lashes on, use the tweezer to press the lashes down. Press it down like that. You don't want your customer to open their eyes and all the bottom lashes stick out. You want them to lay down. Okay, so press it down. After removing the silicone tape, I use the same tape, the same piece, because I don't want it to be too sticky. And I use that tape to work on these eyes too. Okay, all right. You don't have to tape them all. You can just tape a part of it like this and finish this part. Then you can move to another part. Just to remind you that I am left-handed, so the left side was very easy for me to work with, but when I moved to the right side, it's a little bit challenging because her nose actually blocked my angle, so it is harder to work with on the inner corner. But once you finish that part, the rest will get so much easier. And if you are right-handed, you will have the same issue on the opposite side. Right after you finish, make sure you use Super Bonder to cure the glue and stop it from burning. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.